How to add WhatsApp button on your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a WhatsApp button on your WordPress website. So let's get started. Open up your WordPress dashboard. Now this is the dashboard for one of my test websites that I'm creating, and now I want to add a WhatsApp button. So to do that, I will actually have to scroll down to plugins. So go to plugins and then click on add new. So once you click on add new, it will take you to plugin center. Here we can add any kind of plugin. So I want you to search for Buttonizer. So this one right here, you can see Buttonizer, smart floating sticky button call sharing chat widget. So this is really good for WhatsApp. You can see right here, one builder with WhatsApp chat. We are also getting other options, but we will get our WhatsApp button right here. It has more than 70,000 active installation. Click on install now, and it will just take a second to install, and then click on activate. Once you click on activate, then you will be able to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website. So here we have Buttonizer. You can see WhatsApp button available and others as well, such as Facebook Messenger. So if I go to my dashboard now, it will allow me to connect my WhatsApp to my website, and it will also add a customized button to my WordPress website. So you just have to connect your existing account to Buttonizer, and then it will ask for your information, and then you can add a WhatsApp button on your WordPress website. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to add a button to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.